Diego, wake up gently. Today we escape busy city life.
Morning feels different knowing we are going into nature.
Please pack water, snacks, and wear comfortable clothes.
Nature trips always feel better when prepared calmly.
Let's leave early before noise fills the streets.
Silence in mornings already feels peaceful.
Fresh air will welcome us outside.
I already feel relaxed just thinking about it.
Today is not about rushing anything.
Yes, today is about slowing everything down. Roads look quieter as we move away from city.
I love watching buildings slowly disappear behind us.
Green views already feel calming.
Nature begins where noise ends.
I feel lighter with every mile forward.
That's nature removing stress quietly.
Travel itself feels part of the experience.
Yes, not just destination, the journey matters. Look at these open fields. They feel endless.
Wide spaces always make breathing feel easier.
Sky looks bigger without tall buildings.
Nature gives freedom to eyes and mind.
I feel small but peaceful here.
That feeling brings humility and calm.
Let's walk slowly and observe everything.
No hurry, no pressure, only presence.
Grass under feet feels soft and alive.
Wind touching face feels refreshing.
I can hear leaves moving gently.
Nature speaks softly if we listen.
This silence feels full, not empty.
Yes, silence here carries meaning.
I feel connected to surroundings.
That connection heals quietly. This forest path feels cool and welcoming.
Trees around us feel protective.
Sunlight through leaves looks magical.
Nature creates beauty effortlessly.
Walking here slows my thoughts.
Mine too. Worries feel distant.
Let's match our steps with breathing.
Slow steps feel natural here. This deeper part feels more silent.
Silence here feels safe.
Every sound feels meaningful now.
Birds, wind, leaves, all balanced.
I forgot about time completely.
Nature removes clocks from minds.
I feel grateful standing here.
Gratitude grows naturally here.
Let's sit here and rest our legs.
Yes, walking so much finally feels tiring.
We have been exploring since morning.
Still, my mind feels fresh and happy.
That's because today feels stress-free.
I don't want this day to end.
Good days always pass too quickly.
At least we are enjoying every moment.
That's what matters the most.
Sitting quietly like this feels peaceful.
Sometimes silence feels better than talking.
But I enjoy talking with you.
Me too. Conversations feel natural today.
This break was really needed.
Yes, now we can continue again.
Let's sit here and rest quietly.
This spot feels perfect.
Cool air feels refreshing.
Water reflects sunlight beautifully.
I feel emotionally lighter.
Nature carries emotional weight gently.
No phone, no distraction feels good.
Silence feels richer than noise. Eating simple food here feels special.
Food tastes better surrounded by nature.
Hunger feels natural after walking.
Simple meals feel satisfying.
Nature teaches simplicity.
Simple moments feel memorable.
I don't miss city comforts now.
Neither do I. Let's lie down and watch sky.
Clouds move slowly and freely.
Watching sky calms thoughts.
Time feels slower now.
Slow time feels healthy.
I feel completely present.
Presence feels rare normally.
Nature makes presence easy. Do you feel different today?
Yes, mentally lighter and calmer.
Nature resets inner balance.
I think humans need nature often.
Without it, stress grows silently.
We forget this too easily.
Days like this remind us.
Light looks softer now.
Afternoon colors feel warm.
Shadows look longer.
Time gently moves forward.
I don't want day to end.
But endings complete stories.
True. Endings make memories stronger.
Golden light makes everything beautiful.
Nature glows differently now.
This is my favorite moment.
Mine too. Peaceful and emotional.
I feel thankful quietly.
Gratitude fills the heart gently. Sunset feels calm and emotional.
Colors feel warm and soft.
I feel content inside.
Contentment feels rare.
Nature gives it freely.
We should remember this feeling. Walking back feels calm.
No rush feels perfect.
Today changed my mood.
Mine too, completely.
Nature days feel healing.
Yes, deeply healing.
I will remember this day.
Me too, clearly.
Nature gave peace today.
Peace without words.
Let's return slowly.
Yes, gently. This day felt meaningful.
Meaning comes from simplicity. Nature teaches that softly.
Nature teaches that softly.
I feel balanced now.
Balance is precious.
Let's protect moments like this.